No, let Mommy do it. Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? Aw, she has a very bad cough. Aw, Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? Oh, poor girl. Oh, she has a very bad cough. Oh. Do you have a very bad cough? Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? It's cute enough for going around and around the cushion. You do? You're not feeling well, are ya? Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? Oh my goodness. Well, I got her to do it once. Need more than that though. Still, we can put that on YouTube at least for. Oh, she has a very bad cough.
She's looking at me in the mirror.
Oh, she's still coughing. What is she trying to do? Just stop and take a little taste of the toes, eh?
She needs a helmet.
Do you remember me telling you about the bumper bonnet? Roxy and I saw it in this baby catalog. It was really funny. Do you remember that? Did you find Pooh? Yeah. Why? You can talk.
I was just wondering. What was it?
I'm getting her walking all around the room, at least for Nana and Papa to see. Hey, Aunika. Aunika, do you have a very bad cough? Not anymore? Do you have a very bad cough? She's really just too busy right now, I think. Oh, yes. What a bad cough you have. She knows that thing lifts up, but I turned it around. What are you working on? How well does this thing zoom in?
Very well.
Try to zoom right in on her face. No, it's getting blurry. Here, it cleared up.
Well, it's blurry because you're too close.
She's trying to get to her corn popper, so there she goes. So you needed to get to the elliptical, did ya? You couldn't go around your corn popper, you had to go over it? Check the gears. Great, you're gonna get stuck like that, you know. What are you doing? Trying to get some exercise? Is there anything in there? No? Poo out of the way. Well, Mommy's gonna have to go and get something for you and put it in.